Hi, it's Artie from Brown Bar Herbs, and I was missing for a little bit, but now I'm back. I had a little cold and I was stuffed up for you. Um, but anyways, today I wanted to tell you about a new product for the summertime, Herbal Love for you. It is a new herbal bath. I have another one called Blood and Boundaries. That's really good for like routine maintenance for anyone who bleeds. Just like a tune-up for your body, basically, if you're a bleeder. And really, like most people, have some injuries or boundary issues. So it's really great for anyone. So that's Blood and Boundaries. And this one is called Hot But Not Yeasty. And it is, like the name suggests, for summertime, enjoying the heat and not getting yeasty or being able to manage that if that happens, because it's not uncommon when it's hot out to get a little yeasty, especially if you're wearing tight clothes or sitting for long time periods or whatever. So it looks like this. It's like a little cloth tea bag. And so it's set up so that you can just go ahead and steep it. And the Blood and Boundaries bath is set up to like boil on the stove in a big pot of water. This one is totally different. You can do it like a sun tea. You can just use cool water, regular water out of the tap, and then let it sit in a pitcher for the day or an afternoon. You really only need like an hour or two, I'm thinking. But you can leave it out longer. That's totally fine. And then you could also, as an alternative, if you wanted it to be ready in the morning or something like that, you can just do cold water on the counter and just set it in there overnight. And it has marshmallow, which is why it really needs a cold steep, guys. So don't be burning the marshmallow. And then calendula, yarrow, and ladies' mantle. I have another video that goes into more detail about those guys, but I just wanted to tell you a little bit more about this product and how to use it. So you do a cold or cool steep in the sun or at night. It's either way is okay, but it's kind of fun. It's kind of, I feel like it's festive. Yeah, yeast and festive yeast. Well, the goal is to not have it. So, and then basically it's not set up to add to a bunch of bath water. It's set up for like a little tiny Sitz bath. So if you did it in like something about the size of like a pie dish or something a little bit bigger that you can just sit your butt in, then you steep it in the bag and just in the cool water. And then when it's done, you just take out the bag and you can compost the herbs and put the bag through your washing machine. But the water is ready to go. And if it's hot outside, you can dunk your little tushy in there, and it should make you feel like cool and soothed. If you wanted to, another way you could do it, if you wanted to get more doses out of the one bag, is you can just soak a washcloth in the water. So that's definitely going to be the way you could get like several uses out of it, and then put the rest in the fridge for next time. But you'd probably want to like, you don't want to shock your little body. So just, if you put it in the fridge, just know it probably needs to like warm up to room temperature or what you're comfortable with. Before you use it. But you soak the washcloth in it and then like just squeeze it out a little bit, and then you can just like lay that washcloth on the area that's affected and just like enjoy that. It's always good when you have a yeast infection to just lay around with your legs spread open if it's in your yoni. And so this is a good excuse to just lay around like that with the washcloth over yourself, getting some of that medicine. You could also just apply it with your hands, but I think like my hunch is that the washcloth is going to like work a little bit better for you. But I had a lot of success with clients with these herbs in the past. So just really, there's 3 yeast herbs like I described in the other video, and then there's the marshmallow, which like really restores that tissue like a lot faster and just gives you some relief. So I hope you try it if you have problems or just want to have it on hand in case of the heat happening. But if you have an experience, I'd love to hear about it. Have a great day. Enjoy the summer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment and hit the bell for notifications.